Is Aunt Judy?
Who is Aunt Judy?
Ed's wife.
Ed's wife.
Good.
How did you know that? How did you know that?
Because
And wait. But
It's
who is Judy in our family?
Who's she related
Besides
to?
being Ed's wife, whose blood is she from?
your cousin.
Wrong.
No. I'll give you a hint.
Papa's cousin.
Getting
Wrong.
close.
My sister.
Chuck Jones' sister, your daddy's aunt.
Does
Now,
that- is
now,
she
do you
that-
care about what's inside that?
Because I haven't opened it itself, so I don't know if I will share it.
But it's not Christmas Day, it's President's Day.
Oh, that's a good time to open Christmas presents.
Oh, I hope I get a cool hat.
There's a delayed reaction here.
Oh.
What is it?
I know what this is. This is what I've been always wanting for my birthday.
Really?
Huh?
But your birthday's not until the summer.
This is Christmas. Late Christmas.
No, I've always been wanting these for
Summer. For summer.
all my birthdays, but I didn't
Hold
get
it up, Vinny, so I can see it.
What is it? Squirt gun?
No.
Whoa! Whoa!
What is it? Really?
He's getting right in it.
Yeah.
Is it a launcher?
And guess what?
What?
Gun!
Don't aim it
Da,
at it.
da, da, da.
Oh!
You have to pump
Now
it.
what?
Pump it more than once. There you go. Now fire.
Oh, I need some silicone. Now shoot it.
Not at me, please.
Now shoot it. I'll shoot it.
How do you shoot
I'll
this?
shoot it.
How do you shoot?
I'll have to take a look at it.
Uh-oh.
That was just a
Tractor
check.
down. We have a tractor down.
Well, we
Okay.
don't need any more presents opened. That was
Yeah,
it.
I think that's all.
That took the cake.